This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Lesa Miller. Invest in BROADVIEW ADDITION. Roomy 2-bedroom, 1-bath house could be a great owner-occupied or a rental investment. Home features a large open living/dining area, covered front porch, modern kitchen and bath. Laundry room is on main level. Walkout basement is a good spot for storage. It currently is under rented at $870 per month and has a hand occupancy permit through November 2022. Current lease expires July 31, 2022. Property has a long rental history. Close to Switchyard Park and the Beeline Trail. Connected to sewer. For more information, review the details below.